What did I say about sentencing? What can we do with sentencing? Okay, we've heard from Lily already. Luke,
Short term.
can you give us an example?
It was a dark night at the zoo.
Really short.
The zoo.
The zoo. Full stop. Dark. Full stop. Such a dark night. Maybe something like that to emphasise just how black it is outside. We can use metaphoric language. We can show off how we play with language. Now, we've done work with metaphors in the past, so today, in this instance, I just want you to have a go at similes. Be original with your similes. I'll give you a little piece of paper that explains that I don't want you to go with the obvious answer. Matt, her eyes shone like the sun. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. Okay. Yeah. What's the obvious one? Stars.
Diamonds.
Diamonds is the one that I want you to avoid. If you're ever tempted to use that one, think in your head this little tiny thought. No! Don't use that horrible cliched simile. Come up with something new. Change the word diamonds for something like butterflies, TV screens, jewellery, whatever. Change it. Make it different. If her eyes shone like TV screens, then she sounds like a bit of a chav. If her eyes shone like jewellery, pretty glamorous. Maybe we can change the word shone to her eyes glowed like TV screens. Her eyes smiled like butterflies. Another thing I want you to incorporate, speech. On the little green card I gave to you, it shows you how you can put speech into the right order. And this one, try and come up with some unique details about your character or the place that they're in. You've got 4 targets, 4 things to write about. I'm going to give you 10 minutes.